How to change close friends on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the newsfeed page on Instagram. Here, you need to tap on the bottom right corner on your profile icon. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Go to the top right corner and tap on the menu over here. In the settings page, scroll down and go to Close Friends. Once you're in this page, tap on the search bar over here and type the name of the person that you want to add or remove from this list. Or you can tap on the blue text saying how it works and get a detailed information on this feature over here. Now, go back and tap on the name that you want to add from your friends. Then tap on Done at the bottom of the screen. It will then take you to this menu. Select the option Close Friends again. Tap on it. Now tapping over the name again will remove it from the list. So, by following these steps, you can change close friends on Instagram.